Welcome back. Today, apparently, Josh and I are talking about windshield wipers.
Yeah, we're talking about, these are RainEaters.
RainEaters.
And these, so I'm a big fan. I usually buy the OEM blades,
right?
But this has actually changed my mind. Yeah, we live
Why?
in the extreme weathers here of hot, cold, everything, salt, dirt, snow, sand. Yeah. And what I love about these, I know
it sounds like we live in hell, Josh.
Well, these clean the windshield every single time.
And it's
they
important
because
it's right around, you can't see, it's dangerous.
No, you can't. And so
what do you like about them?
Oh, so these are glass infused plastic synthetic rubber blend that they have in them. They come with this protector on the blade,
so it doesn't get bent out of shape.
Yep, and just to
inside
keep them,
the packaging.
Yep,
right?
Exactly. So you put them on, you take this off, and I also like it's got a built-in that's nice, like construction. It's got a spoiler that's built into it. These are all season wiper blades.
Spoiler?
Well, yeah, right on the front here. So as the wind's driving over.
Oh yeah, right here. It's pushing it down.
Yes.
That's pretty slick.
So it's pushing it down as you're driving. It's keeping that contact of that.
Instead of
blade.
some of them like almost flip it upside down.
Yes, or the frames, it's blowing through it, stuff like that. So
yeah, I guess I never would have thought of that.
Yeah, so these are supposed to last 60% longer than traditional blades, which is huge. The other thing I noticed is that I just love the design of them. They look really cool. But the rubber blade actually right here looks longer than I've measured it than my old ones.
So I'm assuming you have this on your vehicle.
Yes, I do. Yeah, and I've been very impressed with them.
How long have you had them?
A couple months.
Okay, so we've gone through snows and rains.
Yep, that we've had through. So, and usually there's wiper blades do so many things. They'll drag and they'll hop. They won't get all the water. They don't clean properly. But I've been very, very impressed with these wiper blades. So, and these are priced equivalent to the other blades out there.
Are they in auto stores, AutoZone, or what
well, you're gonna
have
have to go online. I haven't seen them in the auto stores yet,
right.
But you're gonna have to go check them out online. They run about $20 for a single blade around, about $40 to $45 for a pack of two. You can look up your vehicle on there.
You know, it's strange now, some vehicles have two different sizes.
Yeah.
I think my wife's vehicle has two different sizes.
I know,
maybe.
it's like a 4-footer and like a 1.5 on
So I suppose they don't sell them in packs anymore like they used to.
No, but you can buy, like they have combo things that you can buy online if you look on there.
Okay.
So, but, and these are being used heavily by storm chasers. I mean, these storm chasers are swearing by these things because they do that good. I flooded the windshield with water, it kept up every time and pull the water, and it was a nice clean mark for everything. So longevity-wise, I haven't had the chance, but everything has performed so amazingly so far. I've been very happy. So plus, I love they got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like them, get your money back. Yep, you get your money back. So.
And where do you get them?
Get them online, so RainEater.com.
RainEater.com.
Yeah, and you guys, the reviews online, I checked them out because I tried.
Are they easy to put on?
Yes, that's what I love. They have a patented system right here. And this little band just pinches up.
I'm assuming they'll fit. It says universal, so they'll fit anything.
Yep. So you drop your blade in normally, and then you put. I like because this closes over and it locks it in to hold it, but it also looks nice and finished. But I mean, this is all rubber. I mean, I don't know. I was really impressed by it. It was cool.
I like the louver, the wind louver deal. All right, RainEaters. Josh is a huge fan. We'll see you next time.